Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator control board in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator control board. This refrigerator control board is located at the back of the refrigerator behind the metal cover plate on the right. It monitors and operates all of the major refrigerator functions. If you notice any abnormal temperature behavior that can't be adjusted or the ice dispenser won't work, check and replace the refrigerator control board. So here we are at the back of the fridge, and we need to remove this cover panel to get to the part. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to remove 4 1/4-inch screws. Alright. Next, I need to remove this plastic cover. I'm using the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it right here in this lock assembly here. I'm going to pry open the tab and we can pull out this slowly. Don't break that latch. Alright, so this is our control board that we need to replace. And I'm going to first start taking out these harnesses. And we're going to expose this tab here. That's the tab that holds the control board in place. I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press in on the tab. And I'm going to pull on the board. Easy like that. Next, I'm going to disconnect all the plugs. If you are not sure, you can take a picture before disconnecting them, but it would be very difficult to misplace them because they're all different. Absolutely different plugs, so they will go in its own place. Let's start from this one. There's a tab. Press and pull. Press and pull. And now we can remove the control board. This is the old refrigerator control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new control board. I'm going to slide it in, and this left side will be locked under the 2 tabs here. Bring it in on the right, press it in. It's locked here on the right. And now we can install the plugs. I'm going to start with this bottom, small ones. There's a whole bunch of them, but don't get excited. We will install them one by one. The most important thing is not to miss anyone. Right? Then I'm going to take care of the harness out of the way. Now I'm going to install this clear plastic cover. The 2 tabs here on the side goes into the 2 grooves here. Slide it in, bring the other side in and press it in to lock. Next, I'm going to install this metal cover, and I'm going to secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Put one on the top using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Don't tighten yet. I'm going to tighten this one, and I'm going to tighten the other one here. And I'm going to switch to the top, tighten the top ones. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.